urwigi narwo rurace kuragara.
We have the problem of the smell, these dead bodies. We have been complaining for a long time, and we have been we approached so many times the concerned one, the DPC, the mayor, and the team, and they are aware that the mortuary is the medicine of the people. We can no longer eat food because of the smell. Our children are going to get sick, and we are going to get sick also.
Mary, akurara nibabuza bechacha bakusabiraho bo bakuhura bato nibabuza nyarabyo burabanya muri kino kuntu cyenda kunyita kandi wakusiba akurara we wakuhura akuchumbe mbere nsona zikurugana sikugenda mu merege. That is very bad. Nanka mochare bintu babicyuse.
When we get sick and when you go to the hospital, especially over, there is no medicine. They don't give you medicine. They will tell you go and buy, go and do this. It is the church that has been helping us to bury, to give the money to bury these dead bodies. But now we are tired because of the smell.
Davis Kato mumbaturage abamakagabo gahikaine nakabafaka nagirangu ikinuuko kiri kushoro mukabafaka nikiretwe mbiri ibari kutambatatire bikatu ngo kandi cyakabimunonga abari kukiro bwinzi babitirwa butandu.
We are facing a lot of challenge with the bad odor that is coming out from the dead bodies. This mortuary always receives between 5 to 10 bodies every week, and all those bodies, in most cases, they are always unattended to. In other words, they don't get the care they are supposed to get, given that the mortuary is directly in between a residential area.
Ogu nagirangu no muhabakama be kanisa ya Hoima Christian Fellowship Church ihikaine nakabafaka konka bakageneserezwa kwiyamwe mberemwe bakagitwara kugizika ubo bari kugeza aho kwejo nekijunde kiri kurigamo. Bembezi borembo rwa Hoima bekiriza ko hariho buzubu bw'ikinuuko kiri kurwo mukabafaka konka bagirangu babibakino mu ntekateka kugeza aho kukitereza.
Not our own making, and most of these dead people are not mainly coming from Hoima city. They are coming from Chikube, they are coming from Bulisa, they are coming from Masindi, they are coming from Kibale, Kagadi. As you understand, Hoima city is the city that accommodates all these districts in Bunyoro sub-region, including Congo. So whatever happens in those districts, when they see they cannot manage, so what they do, they just bring these bodies at night and just dump them and run away.
Sylvia Narumaga uriyo muhezi wa meya w'ururembo rwa Hoima yagirangu ekiri kuretaho ubuzubu bw'amani urumbare rw'abantu kweyongera utaireho n'abantu abebire byoma birwaro ndiyo rumwe babirinde bakozesa okusirize mbirezi.
Yes, is small, and because as a city population is increasing, so we expect also demand as a mortuary to increase, but we have addressed that. We've involved the neighbors. We had an engagement. The Lord Mayor had an engagement with the neighboring districts, and they are agreed that we have small space. It's better either they get their own mortuary or they contribute, or we see how we can address that. But we'll stop to them from bringing their dead bodies to bring them to the city mortuary because the space we have is not enough.
Amakuraga gasha kwa gada saba aba Sky TV against song.